HTML comments are not displayed in the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. HTML comment tag. You can add comments to your HTML source by using the following syntax. We have the open angle brackets, we have the exclamation mark, we have double hyphen, then you write your code and you end up with double hyphen and you close the angle brackets. So this is the syntax. Notice that there's an exclamation point in the start tag. So we have an exclamation point here, but not in the end tag. Comments are not displayed by the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. So here we have add comments. With comments, you can place notifications and reminders in your HTML code. So we're gonna open Visual Studio Code, and we're gonna create an HTML file. So I'm gonna name it test with an extension of HTML. So now I'm gonna press shift exclamation mark or exclamation point. You save it and we have a template to work with. So right now I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna copy everything here, and I'm gonna go inside of the body and lines from 11 to 15. We save it. So here we have the paragraph. It's inside of the. This is a paragraph. It's inside of the start tag P. You have the final tag slash P. And here we have the comments. As you can see, this is a comment. So when we go to the browser, we're not gonna see that. We're only gonna see this is a paragraph. And the comments are, you write a comment with angle brackets, and inside of the angle brackets we're gonna have the exclamation mark, the double hyphen, then the comment that you wanna write. So in this case, this is a comment. Finally, we end up with double hyphen and we close the angle bracket. So this is a comment number 11 or line 11. And line 15, we also have a comment. We open angle brackets, we use the exclamation mark, double hyphen. Remember to add more information here. We have double hyphen and then we close the angle brackets. So we're gonna open it, right click and open it with live server. So right now it's gonna open. Okay, this is a paragraph. As you can see, the comments are not they're not read. So high content. Comments can be used to hide content. This can be helpful if you hide content temporarily. So for example, we have, this is a paragraph. Okay, we're gonna grab this example. We're gonna go to Visual Studio Code. Let's just delete this. Okay, so here in line 11 we have, this is a paragraph. It's inside of the star P and the end tag P of paragraph. So in line number 15 we have another paragraph. This is a paragraph too. We have the tag P of paragraph. We ended with slash P, but also we hide some information in line number 13, and we do that so we have a paragraph. This is another paragraph, but for example, let's delete the comments. Okay, so line number 13, this is another paragraph, but now we want to hide it. So this is the way that we do it. We put angle brackets, and now we're gonna type in an exclamation mark, double hyphen, and then we're gonna put another double hyphen here, and we save it. So the web page is only gonna read lines number 11 and lines number 15. So when we go to the document, this is a paragraph, this is a paragraph too, as we can see here. But number 13, the line number 13 is hidden because we're using comments here. So that is that. You can also hide more than one line. everything between the open angle brackets, exclamation mark, double hyphen, and the double hyphen close angle brackets will be hidden from the display. So here we have another example. We're gonna grab this example. Let me see, paste it here. Okay. So here in line number 11 we have this is a paragraph, that is fine. Number 16, this is a paragraph too, but in between from lines number 12 to 15 we have a comment, and inside of that comment we have a paragraph. Look at this cool image, and we also have an image with a border 0, source pig underscore truly that jpg alt truly. So this is not gonna be read, it's gonna be ignored because it's inside of a comment. So but what will happen if I delete this and I also delete this? So now, okay, so now if we go to our page, okay, we have the image. Look at this cool image, and we have the image, but we cannot see it because we haven't saved this particular image in our folder. My folder name is called test, so that is that. And now if we want to hide it, we're gonna comment it. We're gonna use the angle brackets, exclamation mark, double hyphen, and then you go here and just put double hyphen and you save it. And now, yeah, as you can see, only lines number 11 and lines number 16 are visible. So that is the comments are also great for debugging HTML, because you can comment out HTML lines of code one at a time to search for errors. Hide inline content. Comments can be used to hide parts in the middle of the HTML code. So here in this example we're gonna hide a part of a paragraph. So we have a paragraph, this is a paragraph, but inside of that we have gray text, and this gray text is not gonna be read because it's inside of a comment. So we can grab this example and let's paste it here. We save it, and it only is gonna read this is a paragraph. So we go to our web, and this is a paragraph. As you can see, you're not gonna read gray text because it's inside of a comment. So fairly easy to follow, so we can get rid of that comment, and now it's gonna be this gray text is a paragraph. This gray text is a paragraph, so that is that. This is a paragraph, so we're gonna comment it again. We put angle brackets, and if you wanna comment like a big chunk of information, what I do is I just kind of like a mouser over it, and then I type in, or I press shift, and you press the less than sign, so it's gonna open the angle brackets, and now you type in the exclamation mark, double hyphen, and at the end of the text of the content you type in another exclamation, another double hyphen.